The Zimbabwe Public Police ZRP has reported that the situation across the country remained peaceful on Tuesday, April 22, the first day of an indefinite national shutdown called by War Veteran Blessed Geza. Sandapena mashuka buda pana pachinzi aiwa. Right now, as we are talking, there are no incidents are reported as a national shutdown pari kubigina. Toba subscribe or like on the bell kuti pina pana pampintula mdanyo wachiti Geza, who has been calling for President Emmerson Mnangagwa to resign, urged citizens to stay away from work and shut down economic activity in protest. However, by mid-morning, police said there had been no major incidents. In a brief statement, the ZRP commended the public for their cooperation in maintaining peace and order. The statement reads, the ZRP informs the public that the security situation in the country is peaceful. The public is commended for the smooth flow of traffic and cooperation with the police in maintaining law and order in the country. On Monday morning, Geza called for national shutdown to force Mnangagwa to step down, accusing him of incompetence and presiding over a corrupt administration. In a strongly worded statement, Geza claimed that the looting of Zimbabwe's resources by what he described as Zvikananda, a term referring to corrupt allies, had reached alarming levels, leaving ordinary citizens to suffer the consequences. For instance, Mnangagwa and his criminal cartel abused Commander Agriculture scandal to loot approximately $3 billion, GDI scandal to steal hundreds of millions of United States dollars in assets of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, Kuvimba mining house scandal to loot $1.9 billion, gold incentive scandal to loot more than $750 million, ZEC scandal to loot 800 million rand, ZVAITWA scandal to loot $548 million, Valley Seeds scandal to loot $191 million, Geopomona scandal to loot in excess of $162 million. These are just a few examples. Ndo mashoko ari kuno kunzi panguva ino Geza achiuya panapa achimenshena these reasons sema reasons ari kuti aiwa Zimbabwe must shut down. Vanhu panguva ino vanofanira kutomira nesimba vachifighta the regime kwete kuita zvekutamba nako kuti aiwa our country it has been looted zvanyanyisa, but the turnout so far muZimbabwe yaratidza kuti most of the people vaenda kumabasa muzvara nhasi. As we are waiting for the second day tomorrow, tinouya tichikupai maupdates pana paZim News Live. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi kuna comment section medu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell.